around the globe, the family members, the friends, the folks gather together to commemorate the loved ones. The barbecue dinners, the dinner parties, the reunions, or any sort of celebration. Then the balloons, the confetti, the sky lanterns, these are must because we make it a point that we release them into the air and say adieu to our loved ones. What if we tell you that these remembrance parties or celebratory favors are causing harm to our oceans or to marine life or even the land on which we live? Because whatever is going up in the air is gradually going to come down. Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Divekar and I welcome you all to the season 4 of the Plants Education Series, episode 4, that is, what goes up is going to come down.
Hello friends, this time again Swati Gawande with Pallavi Divekar. See, when the balloons are released into the air from the earth, they will not remain there forever. Eventually, they will return to the environment and become littered. These littered balloon fragments are not even biodegradable once they are remain into the environment. So this will create a devastating effect on the wildlife. These littered balloon fragments seems like a tempting treat to the wildlife animals, but it can create some very adverse effects on them. In that when these littered balloon fragments are ingested, they will cause the internal blockages and ultimately it leads to the starvation. Along with that, these ingested balloons fragments are entered into the food chain and directly end up into the stomach of the predator. The strings attached to the balloons can entangle or strangle the birds. Along with it can also entangle the feet of the animals, which later on restrict the mobility or the movement of that animal in search of food and to protect themselves from the predators, which can lead to the death of the wildlife.
Hello everyone, my name is Sharanya Bhakare. Such things are made up of plastics, can harm or kill animals in the ocean and land. The sea life creatures often make balloons for their natural prey. Such things causes all long painful death through starvation. Such things over the time get smaller and smaller and eventually turn into microplastics.
Hello everyone, I'm Counselor Kiran Hiranandani. Today I'll be talking about sky lanterns. Sky lanterns can cause fire as they use open flame to float. This could destroy habitats and set animal housing, feed, and bedding alight. These lanterns fly at significant height and can also disrupt air traffic control. And when they eventually fall to the ground, it becomes litter and animals can get hurt because of bamboo rods and wires. The wires used to prepare them have been known to strangle and maim wild animals and livestock. And the wax used to burn these lanterns emit carbon dioxide, causing air pollution and smog.
Hello everyone, I am Supriya Khandelwal and I will be talking about plastic nets. Plastic net gears usually have a relatively short lifespan and are usually abandoned, discarded, or lost. These do not decompose, which means net lost in the ocean is called the ghost net are responsible for killing or injury of many marine animals.
Confetti. Metallic confetti is made up of PVC, synthetic plastic that is one of the most toxic plastics due to the amount of chlorine and dioxin chemicals present within it. These materials can take up to the 1,000 years to break down and are so toxic to the environment. Confetti is shiny and can be mistaken as food by turtles, sea animals, fishes, etc. Metallic confetti contains microplastics that are harmful to our water bodies. Microplastics are the size of sesame seed, making its destruction hard to see. What worse is that our food and water bodies accumulate microplastics over time, which means that we are constantly consuming them, and when you are not eating or drinking the microplastics, you are still breathing them in it.
The point behind telling you all of this is when you will learn that what these things are actually made up of and where these are going to end up later, you will be wanting to use them less in your parties and everything. Here is a list of the alternatives that you can actually include in your celebrations, like plant a tree or use flowers or light the candles, blow the bubbles, or use plant a wish paper. So there are many eco-friendly alternatives to celebrate the special occasions or honor our loved ones. Hope we will all be eco-friendly henceforth and make less use of this plastic, rubber or other metal confetti things. Thank you for watching us.